Have you ever had one of those weird, unexplainable moments that just sticks with you? Let me tell you about mine. I was just a kid, maybe 7 or 8, and I was heating up some leftovers in the microwave. I remember standing there, watching the plate spin, mesmerized by the little light inside. Then, about halfway through, the spinning stopped. The light went out. The usual humming sound was gone. Complete silence. But here's the creepy part. The timer on the display. It just kept counting down. 30 seconds, 29, 28. I was totally frozen, just staring at these glowing red numbers ticking down to 0 in a dead silent kitchen. When it finally hit 0, it let out this weak, distorted beep, like it was struggling. I've never forgotten that. It felt like time itself was broken for a minute. What's the strangest glitch you've ever witnessed? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.